What's going on, everybody? I'm sorry. All I can tell y'all, I'm going to start the video like this. The finale is coming soon, and once I drop that video, I promise 1000% I will never make another video about Andre or Pinnacle Credit. He will only exist on YouTube after this video drops. I'm telling you, it's going to be a great video. But while I'm thinking about it, what the is this? Not a Chevy Silverado, and you're in a bathtub with, I don't know if that's bubbles or babies on your chin. I'm really not sure. Maybe Tan May had a little visit. Since you didn't pay him, he had to get his money another way. Anyway, I commented on it. Yes, trust me, this will be over soon. The finale will be out this week. Just waiting on my video editing guy to finish everything up. It's going to have some stank on it, as he calls it. Shout out to my boy Creighton. That's my website guy. No, he's not from Pakistan. I think I said he was from Washington in my last video. And I'm trying to think. I want to say Wyoming. I feel bad that I don't even know where he's at. Wyoming, not Washington. Anyway, that don't matter. But this will all be over soon, y'all. He will only exist on YouTube, him and all his different personalities. He's not going to stop. He's mentally ill. And, you know, I'm being stupid for even entertaining it. I've got way too much business to be doing, way too many sign-ups, way too much work. Why am I wasting my energy with this cat? This is what he wants, because he has no content. So if I fire back, then he has something to fire back, and it's just back and forth, back and forth. It's almost turned into, excuse my language, but a dick measuring contest. But, you know, as long as he's in another country, he feels comfortable talking trash to me and other people. Jason Fagley, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. He is trying to ruin this guy's business and career too. I don't know exactly why. Maybe because, you know, he's seen what Andre did posting my daughter and talking about David Stanley's child. That's sick when you talk about somebody's child. If you want to talk about me being fat, that's fine, dude. It doesn't bother me. If you want to talk about me being poor, that doesn't bother me. If you want to spread lies and say that I live in a double wide or a trailer park, that's fine too. I don't care. As I've said before, if I did live in a trailer, who gives a shit? I'm fixing people's credit. I'm changing lives. I am the best. And I prove it. What do you prove? That you like to talk shit and you don't have results. And you like to play with kitty cats and fish. Anyways, if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. When the finale comes out, please share this video everywhere you can. Let's get this guy shut down. He needs to be behind bars. He is a sick individual. Y'all have a great day.